Mmm.
Oh, I'm telling you. Oh my God.
Wow. My name is Chef Fran, and this is my sister Chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
Today, we are going to make a mushroom salad for you. So this is for all my vegetarian lovers here. Now, I know it has cheese, Parmesan cheese. Now, those who are meat lovers like myself, the great thing about mushroom is that it has a umami sensation. Umami is a Japanese word that it gives you that meaty sensation, and mushroom does that for you. And so we have two kinds of mushrooms that we roasted here. And I have, even though this is done here, I'm going to go through the whole play-by-play, smaller portion to kind of show you what we did. And we have our portobello mushrooms, which is like the meatiest. And we have our white mushrooms as well. So we're going to slice them and we're going to roast them. And then we're going to cook our little bit of pasta here. We have baby little pasta because really the star here is the mushrooms. Time before we get there, Ian's already boiling our chicken stock. Now, you can use vegetable stock if for my vegans and vegetarian, you don't have to use chicken stock. And again, if you don't have chicken stock, listen, water, salt, black pepper, a little olive oil, avocado oil works just as good. I just like that extra flavor, so I use chicken stock. And here are a list of ingredients. Yay. So I've already cut some of the mushrooms, but I know you guys probably want to see some cutting. So I'm just going to cut these last mushrooms here for you. I am going to put it here, the mushrooms, and I'm going to spritz it up with some. So today we have avocado oil. Yeah. Now you have to kind of really spritz this really well in order for your salt and pepper to stick, along with your herb de Provence. We all know how I feel about herb de Provence.
Yeah, that lavender
so,
that you love.
Yes.
The lavender.
So here's my wonderful herb of treat that I love, and I think it just makes everything wonderful and fragrant. And look at that purple in there. So I figure I'll have some lavender in a natural form of going in my spices. There we go. And can I get the salt and black pepper, please?
Yes, ma'am. Here's some salt.
Here's my salt, my Himalayan salt. Okay. My black pepper, please.
Leave that right here. Here you go, black pepper. What do you like next?
I would like the garlic and the shallots.
Here's some garlic.
Here's garlic.
Yes.
Shallots. Here's my garlic. Here's my shallots.
Here you go. What's
Thank
next?
you.
What do you like next?
And we're going to roast this in the oven on 400. Here's our vitamin content. For 20 minutes. This in the oven. So the star of the show is the mushroom. So we have the white mushroom as well as Bella's. It is fully cooked. It's beautifully roasted with the shallots and the garlic and, you know, the herb, the Provence that I had on and the salt and black pepper. Okay, so I've already mixed here pasta that was cooked, our peas and carrots, and the arugula. So now since I've already done this, Ian's going to put together the salad dressing.
Okay.
And so Ian has chicken broth here.
Yes, we're going to start with the chicken broth.
Yep. Okay. It's a creamy dressing. You want to do your mayo?
No, I want to do...
You want to do, no? Okay, good.
Yeah, I want to do this.
What's that?
It's the lemon...
The lemon juice, okay.
Now, do the white wine.
White wine?
Yes, I want to do my white wine. Now, I will do...
Okay, now you do your mayo. Then you're going to do your Dijon.
Yes. Okay.
So here you go, your honey Dijon.
Dijon, yeah. Okay. Dijon going
there. And we're going to get something really nice here. We're going to use so a little maple syrup. Yes. So let's get the garlic.
Okay, a little
bit. You know we got to do, and then you got to put a little bit of your salt and pepper.
Yes.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and peppers. All right, we got that. Okay, we're gonna do the. I'm gonna put this here.
Just, give it like 2 loves.
2 loves. You sure
2
only 2?
loves.
All right, just get it.
Now
right.
you got to be careful with the pepper now, Ian, because you're the one that can't take the heat. You can't take that spicy.
All right, it's enough pepper in there.
All right.
What about you?
The Parmesan is going to be our garnish on top of it. But actually, it's a 2 layer process because we put some Parmesan inside, in between, and then put some more on garnish. Look at our delicious mushroom salad that has a ditalini pasta, portobello and button mushrooms that we roasted, fresh arugula, shaved Parmesan, and our creamy homemade dressing. So, wow.
Wow.
You gotta try this, guys. Seriously, if you eat mushrooms, this is your kind of dream.
This is light and delicious.
You know what? You're right. Even though it has that meaty sensation of the umami from the mushrooms, it is not a heavy salad at all because the pasta is so fine, so little, so light. It just, you could really say it's just there to kind of give it color because you don't even really taste it. And the peas and carrots add a nice little sweetness to it. It is absolutely delicious. This is a must try. It's, it doesn't cost much to make. You guys can really do this. And I hope that you do try it. Let us know in the comments if you tried it. Don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button so you can know every time we put weekly content out. And share.
Definitely.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah, exactly.